What are the differences between a trust and an annuity? If you're considering how to manage and protect your assets for the future, you might be wondering about the differences between a trust and an annuity. Let's break down what each is and how they differ. A trust is a legal arrangement designed to oversee, protect, and eventually distribute your assets according to your instructions. When you set up a trust, you appoint a trustee who manages the assets and ensures they are distributed as you intended. There are various types of trusts, such as revocable and irrevocable trusts, each offering different levels of control and flexibility. For example, a revocable trust allows you to change the terms and assets at any time, while an irrevocable trust is more rigid and cannot be easily altered once it's established. On the other hand, an annuity is a contracted savings product offered by insurance companies to help you set up a steady source of retirement income. You fund an annuity by purchasing a contract that allows you to receive regular payments, which can start a few months or years in the future. Annuities involve several parties: the insurance company issuing the contract, the owner who purchases and funds it, the annuitant whose life expectancy determines the payment amounts, and the beneficiaries who receive any remaining payments when the annuitant passes away. One of the key differences between annuities and trusts is their purpose. Annuities are primarily used to generate reliable retirement income for you while you're alive, with optional death benefits. Trusts, however, are focused on managing and distributing your assets to beneficiaries after you're gone. Annuities are products managed by insurance companies, whereas trusts are managed by a trustee who follows the grantor's instructions. In terms of control and ownership, the person who buys an annuity has limited control over how the premium is invested once the annuity is purchased. The insurance company handles the day-to-day management. With a trust, the level of control varies depending on whether it's revocable or irrevocable. A revocable trust gives the grantor more control and flexibility, but the assets are still considered part of the grantor's estate. An irrevocable trust removes asset ownership from the grantor, but it offers less flexibility in making changes. Tax considerations also differ significantly. Annuities offer tax-deferred growth, meaning you won't pay taxes until you withdraw the funds or receive distributions. Trusts, however, have different tax benefits, such as protecting assets from estate taxes or long-term care asset liquidation requirements. When an annuity is held within a trust, the tax treatment can be more complex, with the trust's income tax rate often being higher than an individual's rate. Another important aspect is liquidity and access to funds. With an annuity, you may face charges and tax penalties if you withdraw money outside the contracted distributions or before the surrender period is over. Trusts generally offer more liquidity, allowing you or your beneficiaries to withdraw funds for emergencies or other purposes. In summary, while both trusts and annuities are valuable financial tools, they serve different purposes and offer different benefits. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed decisions about your financial and estate planning. If your primary goal is to ensure retirement income, an annuity might be the better choice. If you're more focused on organizing, managing, and distributing your assets to beneficiaries, a trust could be more suitable.